Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down a question a lot of new traders ask. Robinhood versus Webull. Which one is better for options trading? Let's get straight into it. First up, Robinhood. Robinhood is super beginner friendly. The app is clean, the interface is simple, and you can start trading options without getting overwhelmed. If you're new to options, Robinhood actually explains things in a very simple way, like what a call is, what a put is, break-even points, and so on. Now the big plus? No commissions on options trades. Also, you don't need to have a ton of experience to get approved for level 2 trading. But here's the thing, Robinhood lacks advanced features. There's no Greeks, no advanced charting, and the execution speed isn't always the fastest. So yeah, it's great for beginners, but if you're serious about trading, it might feel a bit limited. Now let's talk about Webull. Webull is a bit more advanced than Robinhood. It still has no commission fees for options, but it gives you more tools like real-time data, advanced charting, technical indicators, and even level 2 market data if you subscribe. When it comes to options trading, Webull shows you the Greeks, delta, theta, vega, etc., and lets you build more complex strategies like spreads and straddles. Execution speed is better, and it feels more like a trading platform, not just an investing app. But yeah, it's not as beginner-friendly. If you're totally new to options, Webull can be a little intimidating at first. So, what's the conclusion? If you're a complete beginner, go with Robinhood. It's simple, clean, and enough to get started with basic options. But if you want to go beyond that, like learn about multi-leg strategies, analyze charts, or trade faster, then Webull is the better pick. Also, one more thing, both platforms have paper trading, but Webull's paper trading is more advanced. So if you're trying to practice before going live, Webull gives you that edge. All right, that's the full breakdown. If you're already using one of these platforms, let me know in the comments which one and why. I'll see you in the next video.